Ever since I was in middle school, I knew that I would always want to be a YouTuber. So last month, I decided to take the leap of faith and begin a brand new channel. Although I was a beginner, I learned so many things which helped me get videos with tens of thousands of views within 3 weeks. So keep watching this video because I will be showing you how I got ideas, wrote scripts, did voiceovers, and edited all my footage within 1 hour. So the first step is to make sure that you pick a niche that you actually enjoy. For example, let's say you're interested in sports. You're going to be posting videos about basketball, tennis, baseball, football, whatever it is, sports related. You do not want to post a channel and simply start posting random things that you find on the internet. Because even if you get a video to perform, your subscribers will now be expecting you to be creating content only in that niche. Another key tip is to make sure that you're making content that you're actually interested in. There is no point in making videos about baseball if you do not like sports in the first place. You can use websites like Canva for free to design your branding, logo, and banner. Right now, your goal should be to learn, not actually to make money. Step 2 is going to be your research for ideas. So you've got your channel set up. So now it's time to actually get into the video making process. The first thing you should do is use a tool like Google Search itself, Google Trends, or Answer the Public. These tools are going to let you see what people are searching for on the internet. Now, you want to remember to always think of a title and a thumbnail before making a video so that you can stay on track and so that your audience gets what you actually promised them. You want to give a reason for your viewer to watch your video. Is the video solving a problem? Is it helping them save money? Is it teaching them about history? In the case of this video, my goal is to basically show you how I grew a YouTube channel as a beginner and my key takeaways from it. Step 3 is making scripts. For the YouTube channel, I took the laziest route possible and I let AI do all the work for me. Once I did the research and had a title in mind, I plugged that information into to let it generate the scripts for me. So this might be a controversial take, but I don't use ChatGPT. From my personal experience, it is a good all-around tool. However, I'd rather use a tool like Claude give me more accurate responses, so that's the simple reason as to why I use it. For research, I'll also be using Bard specifically. This is Google's version of ChatGPT. My favorite part about it is how it will provide a button that lets you fact check itself. This immediately helps me speed up my workflow and gives me peace of mind that my information is correct. If you do not use AI for scripts, you can also just use Google Docs to write your ideas there for yourself. Step 4 is your voiceover. Similarly to the script, I took the lazy way here.
Do you recognize my voice?
Content creators have been using 11 labs to do voiceovers for them. Once you paste your script in, the text will generate and you can import it into your editing software.
If you use a paid plan, you can insert your own audio and it will generate a clone of your voice.
So step 5 is going to be actually getting your content and the music. This step depends on your niche, but for example, if you have a channel that is around sports, you want to have clips of sports or athletes in the background. You can simply use YouTube itself to find videos and clip them. If you want to take a different approach, you can also use AI images with a website called claude.ai. On the free trial, you can generate up to 4 images at a time. For videos, you set your image dimensions to 960 by 544, and for shorts, you do the same but the exact opposite. Doing so will make sure that it'll speed up your editing time. Keep in mind that this will only generate images, not videos, so unless you have a lot of these, your video will get stale. For more footage, you can use free websites like Unsplash or Pexels. If you want even more specific content, you can use Storyblocks, which also has sound effects and background music to use. Step 6 is going to be actually editing all that content. So now that you have all your content, you have to throw it all together and actually edit the video. I personally use CapCut on desktop because it is the easiest software to use. Its Pro plan also features extra tools like auto reframe and filler word remover, which can help save so much time editing. If you're more experienced in video editing but would like a free tool, DaVinci Resolve is a good tool as well. Because my videos were made up of primarily images, I had to find a way to make them interesting. I used a lot of animated text, effects, animations, and transitions to spice up my videos. On YouTube, one of the most important things is your retention rate. It is how long you're able to keep a viewer watching. The longer people watch, the more YouTube will push your content out to others. Step 7 is to finally post your video. Now that everything has been edited, your thumbnail's ready to go, and title are ready, all you have to do is simply copy and paste it, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's the simple process. Once I figured everything out, I got so much faster at doing all of that to the point where I was able to get a video from creating the idea to actually posting it all within an hour. But what if we don't have to spend an hour? What if we just want to spend 5 minutes? Is that even possible? Well, yeah, it is. This tool called InVideo AI does all of that for you. Step 1 to step 7 and does it for you. You simply enter your prompt, let it load, and boom, your video is done. I strongly urge creators to not use this tool, especially when you're first starting out. When you're first starting, you want to learn how to do all the hard work, how to do all the boring, manual, tedious labor, simply because once you understand everything, you'll know how to improve further. It is better to have one quality video a week than to have 10 crappy videos a day. This 7-step process took my channel from 0 to 600 subscribers all within a month. Now, of course, it's nothing crazy. I did not become an overnight billionaire. However, it provided me an opportunity to learn YouTube and how it works. Even though the concept was simple, you can see after weeks of posting that my channel gets at least 8,000 views every 48 hours. This only supported my thoughts on how a YouTube channel can be built into an asset when done correctly. What does all of this mean? With all this data, experience, and knowledge, I realized that building a YouTube channel is simple but not easy. In theory, a good video should equal views. However, in practice, there are thousands of moving parts. Think of yourself as a project manager or producer of the YouTube channel. You have many websites and softwares that can replace employees like writers, graphic designers, editors, and more. As mentioned previously, you should be using AI, but not solely relying on it. Viewers can easily tell if an AI fully generates a video versus when a human makes or influences one. It is also vital to give people a strong reason as to why they should watch your video. If you found this video helpful, I highly appreciate a like, comment, and a subscribe.
Imagine a world once ruled by a mighty empire now fallen into oblivion. This is the tale of the Roman Empire, a civilization unmatched in its grandeur, led by great emperors like Marcus Aurelius. Yet, burdened by internal strife, economic instability, and relentless invasions, it crumbled, its fall, a poignant reminder of the impermanence of power. Now echoes of its glory live on, shaping our world in countless ways. The Roman Empire, a story of rise and fall, forever etched in the annals of history.